Artificial intelligence carves its niche in the creative sectors, its implications ripple across various dimensions. One of the primary concerns is the impact on employment. While AI introduces automation and efficiency, it also redefines roles, pushing professionals to adapt and reskill to thrive alongside intelligent machines. This shift, though daunting, opens avenues for new kinds of jobs focused on overseeing AI operations and integrating human creativity with machine precision. However, AI's role in creative authenticity sparks debates. Can a machine truly replicate the emotional depth intrinsic to human artistry? This question remains central as AI continues to generate music, literature, and visual arts that challenge our traditional perceptions of creativity. Looking ahead, technologies are emerging that promise even deeper collaboration between humans and AI, aiming to create not just alongside us, but in partnership with us. Yet this progress brings ethical questions to the fore, prompting us to consider the values we want to uphold in our AI-driven creations. As we stand on this frontier, it's clear the dialogue between man and machine is just beginning. As we wrap up, it's evident that AI is not just a tool, but a partner in the creative process. We've explored how AI enhances creativity, witnessed its successful collaboration in Alpha's journey, and glimpsed into an exciting yet challenging future. It's food for thought, isn't it? How might AI impact your own fields of interest or work? We'd love to hear your thoughts on this partnership between humans and AI in media creation. The future isn't just created by us, it's a symphony of human innovation and artificial intelligence. What role will you play in it?